Hi, I'm Kat and welcome to Kat's Cooking Corner. Today we are going to be making Ambrosia Fruit Salad. For this recipe you will need whipped topping, shredded coconut, fruit cocktail, pineapple chunks, mandarin oranges, mini marshmallows, maraschino cherries, nutmeg, and cinnamon. You will also need some kind of a large container to put it in. Okay, the first thing we will need to do, we want to make sure that our whipped topping has set out and is thawed. So we need one 8-ounce container of whipped topping. You can use actual Cool Whip or generic, it does not matter. I'm using my Tupperware round container for this. It should be plenty big. Plenty big. Oh. Big enough. There. Now we need 2.5 cups of shredded coconut. So nice if stuff would cooperate with me, but there. 2.5 cups. Okay. Now we need 8 ounces or 1 cup of fruit cocktail, which my can is 15 ounces. So we're going to go with the cup measure rather than the full can. And you want to drain this. Get back, cats. This is not food for you. And we can save the rest of the fruit cocktail for something else. And I'm just going to pour the juice back into the can for now until I put it in something else to store it. Pepper, get down. You do not eat fruit cocktail. Sorry. Okay, and we need 8 ounces of pineapple chunks. Again, this is a much larger can than what is needed. So we will have to measure it out. 8 ounces is 1 cup. So 1 cup of pineapple chunks. Again, I'm just going to pour the juice back in till I can store it later. Or actually, I will eat that in a little bit. Then an 11-ounce can of mandarin oranges, which is actually the right size. And again, you want to drain it. This I'll just go ahead and pour out. And then we need 11 ounces of maraschino cherries. Which 11 ounces is roughly 1 1/4 cups. So again, I'm going to pour the juice out just long enough to get the cherries. Still too much juice. Well, there we go. And actually, since my husband doesn't really like the cherries, I'm only going with 1 cup and not the additional 1/4. So I just added 8 ounces instead. And the great thing about this is you can change it up as you need. If someone doesn't like something or somebody likes something extra, then you can always do that. Okay, then we need 3 cups of mini marshmallows. Cup. Yeah. 2 cups. I don't think you'll like that, Outlaw. And 3 cups. Okay. Finally, we need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And we just fold it all together. Oops. Now I'm losing marshmallows, but that's okay. My table is clean, so let's go ahead and put that back in. And once you have it all combined, you want to put the lid on your container and refrigerate it for 30 to 45 minutes before serving. A very, very simple side to make. Perfect year-round. And it's so simple to make that you can be dressed up and still do it. As always, the recipe will be in the description along with links to my other websites. Thank you for watching today's episode, and if you would like to see more recipes, please subscribe.